How's that?
Looks great.
I don't like the new work uniform, you know. I don't wear the chicken, I'll cook the chicken. Today I'm making sticky chicken. Easy dinner. You will like it. If you have this one very easy. This one is my recipe. If you can't get it, I'm gonna show you how to make it. If you want to make from the scratch, start with chili and the ginger and the garlic. Now my secret ingredient. This pickled garlic. This adds extra flavor. That you peel it, take the skin off, just use the garlic clove. Now the soy sauce, this is brown sugar and garlic powder, this onion powder. This adds in more flavor. And white vinegar and little bit water. This marinade is good for everything. You can trust no, I'm always speak the truth. Now we just blend. Pour into the big bowl. Now we get a nice chicken, can be side or bread, anything you like. Put in the marinade. Get a good stir. Oh, the flavors. You can leave the marinade overnight. Sometimes only leave 10 minutes only. I got a hot pan here. Now add a little bit of oil. Add all the chicken now. Don't crowd the pan too much. We want a nice color. Oh, the smell is good. Marion loves this chicken. I make it when she's little. Now she's so big and smart. Put the marinade in while they're cooking. Turn it over. Color so nice. This is what you call sticky chicken. Now turn the heat down. Let the chicken nice and sticky. To make sure the chicken is cooked through, and I put on a tray. Now cover with foil. Put in oven about 10 or 15 minutes. Now we're going to make extra sticky sauce. See, you still have the marinade left. Pour the same pan you cook the chicken. Now just stir the heating through. Just cook for a few minutes until thick and sticky. Thick and sticky. Thick and sticky. What is it? Oh, so good. Look at that. I'm a genius. Now we got some rice. I make a quick cucumber salad. Marion said the recipe is going to be in the internet. I don't know about internet anywhere. I don't know. Must have a vegetable with dinner. I know you people don't eat enough vegetable. You know what Noy say. Now the chicken. Oh, this is beautiful. Serve it all up. Color so beautiful. Little bit salad, little bit sauce. Oh, wow. Everyone gonna like this? I didn't know it's ready. I take no time at all. And in this one, even quicker.